Hey guys, in this video, gonna talk to you a bit about how you can accept money on your personal PayPal account. So this is the first time that I've received money, and as you can see here on my PayPal page, it says money is waiting for you, and I was sent $66.96. So I already have a bank account hooked up to my PayPal account. So if I want, I can actually transfer this money over to that bank account, but you can also have the option of just keeping that money right in your PayPal account by signing up for PayPal Cash. So I'm gonna walk you through that process now. So you go down and click accept the money. And then, like I said, it gives me the option to transfer it to the bank account that I have set up with my PayPal. You can get a check by mail, or you can keep it in your PayPal account, and that's the part that I'm going to set up in this video. So I'm going to click on that. And then setting up PayPal Cash is really easy, and essentially you can keep $0 in your PayPal account, and it's really nice because you can transfer money between your PayPal account and your bank account within about 1 to 3 days, and there's no charge to that. You can also transfer money from your PayPal account to a friend or a family member who's also living in the United States without incurring a fee. However, there are some instances where you can get fees in terms of transferring that money. So there's 1% to transfer money if you want to do it just in a couple minutes between PayPal and your bank. So essentially an instant transfer instead of waiting that 1 to 3 business days. But for the most part, it's not that big of a deal. You can just wait those 1 to 3 business days, and then you don't have to pay that 1% fee. Also, it is worth noting that this money in your PayPal account isn't FDIC insured like it would be in a bank account. And then in terms of some of these other fees, we can see that there is a fee when you're sending money to friends and family outside of the U.S. using the cash in your PayPal balance. And this is a 5% minimum of 99 cents with a maximum of $4.99. And then also transferring money. So this is what I was saying earlier. There's that 1% fee for the instant transfer to your bank account with a maximum fee of $10. And then also if you want them to send you a personal check, that's $1.50. And third-party digital wallets, and of course, this is optional, you don't have to do this, it's 2.5%. There's a foreign transaction fee to use PayPal in Google Pay and Samsung Pay to make a purchase from a non-US merchant, and this fee applies even when there's no currency conversion. So those are a few things to keep in mind, but more or less you should be able to get by with keeping money in your PayPal account without having to incur fees because, like I said, you can transfer money from your PayPal account to your bank account within 1 to 3 business days for free, and then also transferring that money to other friends and families' PayPal accounts as long as they live within inside the United States. You won't get a fee on that either. So then once you read through all that information at the bottom, let's see if we can get that on the page here. At the bottom, you can see it says agree and continue, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then you'll need to confirm your personal info, and this should be things that you already have in your PayPal account set up, and you just need to make sure that it is correct in this area before proceeding to the next page. And then on that next page, it says, thanks, you're all set with a green check mark if everything you typed in is proper, so then you can go ahead and click done. And now back at the main page of my PayPal account, you can see that I now have that $66.96 in my PayPal account as my PayPal balance. And if I want, I can transfer that money over to my bank account or send it over to a friend or family's PayPal account. Or when I'm using PayPal on the internet, it often gives you the option that you can use your PayPal balance to purchase things. So that's another useful situation that you can be in when using the money from your PayPal balance. So I hope this video was helpful. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys back here for future videos.